The installation process for the SafetyRespect Edge Protection Barrier System is quick and easy. Measuring and marking the locations for the post foot is important. The barrier panels that McCarthy is using today are 8.5 feet long. Because the panels are designed to overlap, they are placing a post every 8 feet. Once the location for the post foot is marked, the hole is ready to be drilled. A 1/2-inch hole is required to be drilled to a depth of at least 3 7/8 inches. The toes of the post foot should be facing away from working area. A concrete fastener is then drilled through the post foot and protective boot and into the concrete. Once the post foot is secured, the post can be installed. The post drops down into the socket and then twisted until it drops into the locked position. The barrier panels McCarthy is using are the largest we offer, but as you can see, they are lightweight and easily moved into position. Once the barrier panels are placed onto the post, the gravity lock can be dropped into the locked position. For 90-degree turns, the bracket 360 can be used to allow change of direction. Once the last barrier bracket is locked into place, the installation is complete. It's that simple.